Petra, read by Gracia Thomson. Once upon a time, in a one little farming community where they deep within the heart of Jamaica, there lived one young girl named Petra. Her days them did full up with toil as she take care of the bountiful field them will stretch as far as your eye could see. The community did prosper from the fruits of them labor, cultivating vibrant crops we paint the landscape with green and gold. Petra humble little dwelling did rest up in the rolling hills, where the sweet melodies of the birds them serenade her every morning. Our chores start early as she make her way down the path to the glistening river where flow nearby. Upon her head, she carry one heavy bucket where the contents give life-giving sustenance to our family's crop. After she fulfill her duty by the river, Petra returned home to one simple house where echo with the laughter and love our family. With one broom in her hand, she sweep where the dust was sick upon the earthen floor. Her nimble finger them wash the dishes and mend clothes, making sure say our family live in a comfort even though they never have so much. In the middle of our daily routine, one unexpected invitation reached Petra's doorstep. It was one invitation to a big celebration where one important politician at the nearby town did host. Petra's heart start dance with excitement because she did long to escape her daily chores and experience the magic of the ball. As the day of the celebration draw near, Petra finds solace in the arms of one wise and elderly neighbor where everybody knows say she know about the mystical arts. Them come together and conjure up one dazzling outfit for Petra, stitching together little pieces of bright fabric till them form one gown where rival the blossoms will decorate the field. At long last, the night of the celebration reach, and Petra step into one world of wonder and beauty. The rhythmic beats of reggae music fill the ear, and the scent of jerk chicken and tropical fruits tempt your senses. In the midst of the crowd, Petra I meet the politician. One man where everybody knows him eloquent and dedicated to uplift the people of Jamaica. Them dance under the moonlit sky. Them hearts intertwine in a one melody and passion and hope. Petra laughter soar through the night as she discover one love will surpass the boundaries of them different world. But as the clock strike midnight, Petra remember her responsibilities and say farewell to her love. Running from the celebration with the knowledge, say our enchanted night soon come to an end. Days turn into weeks, and whispers about the mysterious girl who steal the politician's heart travel through the hills and valleys. Determined to find him true love, the politician set off on one quest, going from house to house with one glass slipper, searching for the woman who have the foot where fit the delicate shoes. In one humble dwelling, we overlook the emerald fields, the glass slippers find him rightful place upon Petra's foot. The community rejoice cause them beloved Petra find her prince in the midst of the challenges of them simple lives. In a one joyful celebration, we bring the whole farming community together. Petra and the politician get married. Vow to work hand in hand to better the lives of them fellow Jamaicans. With determination and love as them guiding light, them champion the causes we close to them heart, nourish the land and uplift the spirits of them people. And so, Petra, the girl from the farming community, realized her dream. The moral of this story is that love, resilience, and unity can overcome any circumstance. It emphasizes the importance of community, as Petra's support system plays a significant role in her journey. Additionally, the story highlights the transformative power of love and the potential for individuals from different backgrounds to come together and create positive change. It encourages readers to embrace their responsibilities while pursuing their dreams and find happiness in making a difference in the lives of others. Jack Mandora, me no choose none.